Hi guys, welcome to another essential tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn passive income using Merkl app in 2026. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our tutorial video helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address of Wiki Cat will be in the description. Now let's dive right into today's tutorial. First, open your browser. Visit app.merkl.xyz. Now here's the home page. If you're using a smartphone, I'll advise that you switch to desktop site for proper viewing. Good. Now the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. Just tap connect. Choose your preferred wallet. I'll go with SafePal. So just follow the prompts. Now my wallet has been connected. Here's how you know. The connected wallet address appears here. Now, right on the dashboard is a display of different earning opportunities across multiple blockchains and DeFi protocols. So as you can see, each opportunity has useful information such as the expected APR, the amount of rewards being distributed, the total value locked, also known as TVL, and the protocol behind the opportunity. You can also use the filter here to narrow down your research. For example, you can filter by blockchain, by token, by lending opportunities, by liquidity opportunities, and much more. This makes it more easier to find an opportunity that matches the asset that you already own. Right, so for this tutorial, I'll open this opportunity. Alright, so notice what we have displayed here. Right at the top is the estimated APR. So this gives you an idea of the additional rewards being offered through this campaign. Below that, you can also see the daily rewards being distributed and the TVL, which tells us how much value users have already committed to this opportunity. Now scrolling down a little further, you can also see the campaign details, including the reward period, the reward cap, and other important information. Now before participating in any opportunity, it's always a good idea to review these details carefully so that you understand exactly what you are joining. So when you're satisfied with the opportunity that you have chosen, the next step is very simple. Just tap lend. Now Merkl simply redirect us to another platform called Mofo. So Merkl itself doesn't hold your fund. It only helps you discover reward opportunity and tracks the additional rewards you are eligible to receive. The actual deposits happen on the underlying DeFi protocol. In this case, that's Mofo. On this page, you just connect your wallet. You can review the lending market. Then navigate to manage position. Here, you'll enter the amount of the required assets you want to supply and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once your transaction is confirmed, your funds begin earning yield through the lending protocol. At the same time, because you entered the opportunity through Merkl, you will also qualify for the additional rewards being offered by this campaign. So after your deposit is active, you can always come back to your Merkl dashboard to monitor your opportunities, track your rewards, and claim them whenever they become available. And that's how you earn passive income from the Merkl app. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.